Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for supporting my channel and liking my recipes. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna make Badam Katli. It's my version of the traditional Indian dessert which is called Kaju Katli and it uses cashew. I've used almond flour because it's easily available in the local grocery stores. It's high in protein and low in carbs. So let's begin. I've taken 2 cups of almond flour. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt in here. And mix it well. I'm gonna add about 3/4 cup of sugar into a pan and about 1/3 cup of water. If required, you can add a little bit more water in there just to make sure that the sugar is dissolved. And we are gonna melt the sugar. Traditionally, if you have taken 2 cups of almond flour, go for 1 cup of sugar. I usually don't like too sweet of the Badam Katli, so I'm gonna go for only 3/4 cup of sugar. At this point, I'm gonna add a pinch of saffron in here. And about half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. At this point, I'm gonna add this almond flour into this sugar syrup. So after about 2 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee, which is clarified butter. So here I've taken 2 sheets of parchment paper. I'm gonna grease them with ghee. So before this mixture cools down, I'm gonna pour it quickly on this parchment paper. Using a parchment paper, I've created a square shape of this dough. I'm gonna use the other greased parchment paper on top and I'm gonna start rolling. So I'm gonna let it cool now before I make pieces of this. So after it cools down, I'm gonna make diamond shapes of this dough.